Think setting up a US LLC keeps you safe from Indian taxes? Many residents misunderstand the rules. Let's look at the myths and the facts. Myth: I pay tax in India only when I bring money home. Fact: as an Indian resident, global income is taxable on accrual, even if it stays in a US account. Myth: my US LLC pays its own tax, not me. Fact: India looks through LLC. You're taxed personally as business income. Myth: foreign tax credit can be claimed anytime. Fact: Form 67 must be filed before ITR due date. Missed equal to no FTC. Myth: not disclosing my LLC isn't a big deal. Fact: non-disclosure of foreign assets equals rupee 10 lakh penalty plus prosecution under the Black Money Act. Myth: setting up a US LLC doesn't involve RBI rules. Fact: it's overseas direct investment under FEMA. You must file via AD Bank, FIRMS portal and annual performance report. Myth: billing via US LLC means no GST in India. Fact: if services are delivered from India, it's treated as export of services, which are zero rated. GST registration, LUT and ITC refunds apply. Myth: my home office can never create tax exposure. Fact: working full-time from India can trigger a permanent establishment. The result: LLC taxed as a foreign company at around 43%. Myth: DTAA benefits apply automatically. Fact: you need a tax residency certificate and consistent reporting in Schedules FA and FS1 to rely on India-US DTAA. Here's the Indian compliance checklist for US LLC owners: ITR 3 with FA and FS1, Form 67 before due date, ODY filings and APR, GST 0 rated compliance, TRC for DTAA, watch PE thresholds. Misunderstandings can be costly. Subscribe for more insights, stay informed and stay compliant.